Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you my Notion 2022 journal, and finally I'll be showing my template. And if you don't know what is Notion, Notion is all-in-one organization app. Like, you can do so much in it, such as organizing for your work, your daily life, and like basically everything you could organize, even your school, university, or whatever. So today I'm going to be showing you my 2022 journal. So let's jump right into the video. So first off, I chose a theme, and it's kind of soft brownish whitish PCD. I added this banner with this cute photo I found on Pinterest, and of course the title. So here, if you see here, I put this coffee that I really like, and behind it this chill playlist from Spotify I made. So let's just start with personal. So in personal we have 4 main pages. So the first one is habits. So when we click it, there is this month to change habits. So for example, I need to change this, and this. So if I did it, I'm gonna check it. But if I didn't do it for this month, we're gonna make it for the other months. For example, I didn't do this in January, I'm gonna do it in February. So now the other page we have is moods. If you see, most of the bullet journals have this mostly, like, to mood. Like here I added this, for example, and I was so happy. So let's add it here, like 1/11/2022. And here in tags, if you just click it, I added some moods such as happy, sad, good, tired, okay, so happy, joyful, not so happy, feeling fresh, or the laughing face. So let's just say good. And basically you could do whatever you like right here. Next up, we have the calendar or the agenda. Like, this is one of the important stuff in the bullet journal. So right here we have the calendar for January 2022. You see here I add, for example, film a YouTube video, study for. And now we have here 2022 goals. This one I kind of make it, in a special way, yeah. So I added 10 goals for the year. So let's just go to something like this. Web development, I added here the number, and here the goal is web development, and I added this picture as a thumbnail. And we could, you could just add a new one, the number, add something, and yeah, you're done, and add picture. So I'm just delete this. So right now we're done personal. Now if you see behind personal, I added this weather widget. If you're wondering from where I get my widgets, so just go to indify.co, and here you can see all the free widgets. So we have gallery widget, code widget, left progress bar, weather, Google Calendar, and such more. And they're actually making new ones, so stay tuned. So let me show you how we make it. So click on one of those. I'm gonna go with the weather as an example. So now you can customize it. Like here, the weather location. So maybe let's put it Jeddah. Saudi Arabia. Let's just put that as an example. And here the preferred units like Celsius or Fahrenheit. So I actually love Celsius more. Here you can put the display of the days, or you could just add the current, the weather for now. We'll just add it like that. I do sometimes, but I love to add 4 to make it unique. Here does, and other stuff you could play around. And now click on the copy icon right here. Go back to Notion. Paste it Control V or Command V if you're on Mac. Then click on Create Embed. And now it's loading. And now you could, adjust the way you like. So here we have this that says Me section. I didn't really add anything here. So all I have is finance. Inside that page, I have the expenses and the income. So for example, here I'm gonna say something, and here the amount. The thing I also like right here is we could calculate them, like calculate stuff here. And here we have income. It's just like the same thing. All right. Now I love this part so much. Like here I added this cute picture from Pinterest. And yeah, I get all my photos from Pinterest. And then here I made it as a memo pad. Like here we added this, those shrinkly wingly things, the notepad, right? And here I added, as a to-do list inside that memo pad. Like we could add something, click enter, add another thing. And another widget, which is a clock widget. And here in daily, you see, I added two stuff, such as Language Hub. Language Hub, it's a place where I learn Korean. How do I say this?
2,000 years later.
Like notes. So here a word in K is Korean. We added the word, pronunciation, and the type. Is it a noun? Is it a verb? Is it whatever? And here a sentence, to put the word in a sentence, if we can. Here you could delete this page, which is YouTube. If you're a YouTuber, you could just keep this. So here I added the videos time, like the uploading time. You see, let me just go there. Oh please, come on. Okay, let's just add a new page today. So here you could actually, make bigger if it took a long time, but I started it from yesterday, yes, today and tomorrow, and let's just make it to 13 if it take longer, but hopefully I upload it tomorrow. Down here we have the video, this section to add the title and tags. Where here are we filming it, editing, planning, uploading, or still. So let's just say filming, because I'm filming it right now. Right here we have video ideas. Like you could add some video ideas if you're blocked, like you don't have any ideas. So that's all for the YouTube page. You can just ignore this part because it's not that important. This is my favorite part, is loading for you. A code generator, yeah! So this, you could generate any code, and it's still from here, from ND5. So I just embedded it, and now if we click the refresh button, it generates a new code. And basically this is all for my Notion setup for 2022 journal. Hope you guys like it, and if you want, I made a free template. You could just use it. It's down in the description box. And that's all for today. Hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.